Today I introduce the famous seaside park Wolmido in Incheon City. Watch this video and try it when you go to Korea next time. This place is also limited to COVID-19, so there aren't many people. There are usually a lot of people. This is where General MacArthur, the commander of the United Nations Command, conducted the Incheon landing operation against North Korean troops during the Korean War, and the coast was now this side. During the Korean War, this island was an island, and when the tide came, dozens of meters of mud flats were exposed, making it difficult for ships to enter. Currently, there is a major inland port in Incheon, and the water depth difference is so great that you have to go through the dock gate to enter the harbor. This means selling shrimp crackers to be thrown for seagulls when riding a ferry boat. There are few playgrounds and only a few rides are available. That's one of the most exciting places. COVID-19 is stable and waits for all of these facilities to open. This is a place where you can take a boat tour for about an hour. This is the place where you can take a cruise. Course A is a sightseeing tour while watching a performance. Course B is a sightseeing tour of the night view, but this course only operates on Saturday evening. Why don't you try it next time? This is where the oil loading vessel is located. There are many steel factories and super large factories around Incheon Port and Wolmido Island. So we supply oil here by ship. That's too quiet. There's a telescope. Get your coins ready. That's the small concert hall. There is a huge anchor. How many tons of this was used on a ship? There are many small hotels around. There's a circular observatory. Let's go up. bridge is connected to that point, and this road leads to Incheon International Airport. Memorial of the occupation operation of Wolmido Island by 16 UN troops on September 15, 1950. There are many rides that children as well as adults will like here. There's a passenger ship coming in from China. There are regular passenger ships from Incheon port between Korea and China. Of course, there are ferries in other ports. The sea train service was stopped today, but the cool scenery is great once you go around the park. There are various naval monuments, historical materials, walking trails, and observatory in Wolmi-san. It was the headquarters of the Second Fleet of the Republic of Korea Navy until 1999 and has been developed as a public park since 2000. This is the place where you can see Korean traditional houses and gardens. Silo murals listed in Guinness as the world's largest outdoor mural. A pretty rose bloomed on the harbor wall. That's all for today's video. If it helped, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.